Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And now we're gonna do the unboxing of online what? Online?
Slash.
No!
No.
Online haul.
Online hole?
Yes.
What online hole?
The one we bought from online.
Ice cream. So you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here. Never mind.
Okay, let's do that.
My ice cream. My razor.
Hey, quiet.
Sorry. It's too hard to cut it. It's too big. It's square. Mommy, diamond is my favorite shape. Yeah.
This is a square.
Oh, yes. This one is
Kuya, can you stand up here?
I
Para
like
makita ko.
it.
Yeah, stand up here this way. Daddy, kinuha niya.
No.
Here, this way. Just sit down here.
Kuya, you can
Yan, para makita si Kuya.
Hello, Kuya. What's this? I think it's a ring light.
How did you know? It's a surprise.
I think I don't know ring lights.
You don't know the rings?
I don't know. Our dad already put the bike holder there.
Not yet.
Wow, Daddy. Yeah, this is cute.
Wait lang.
Ah,
Wait lang.
hi. There, bahoy ka, hi. That's it.
Wait lang, anak. Be careful. Bigay.
Oh my god.
Okay. Careful. Oops. Behave. Bless you.
Mom, you cannot see me in the video.
But we can hurt you.
I don't
So
know.
one. What is this?
It's a holder.
Yeah, it's a
Holder.
cell phone holder. Oh, be careful, Kuya.
This is for
Ang
vlogging.
liit, oh. What is this? It's a tripod.
I don't know what is that.
Like this, Kuya.
Mommy, and another one.
Another one. This
what's
one is for
that?
online class. Another one. Wait.
I don't see what is inside here. Looks like a pizza box. I don't know.
Wait. It's a ring light. Anak. Straight for it.
Wow. I never seen a ring like before.
Okay, let's remove this one.
I will remove the scotch tape.
Remove the scotch tape. Okay, let's show this first. Let's show
Yeah.
show them. This is
A ring light.
a ring light. See? Ring
Light.
feel light.
Ring feel
This
light.
is a 10 inches, 26 centimeter. Okay?
But you have to open this.
Okay, let's open this.
Only this one. You can open it.
Slowly, yeah, because it needs to break a ball.
Wow. Whoa. It's a ring light. Okay, don't play those. There's two of them. Oh, wow. Nah,
Yeah.
never mind. Could just hurt my finger. Wow. This is a...
This is a ring.
Ah! It falls something. Ooh, it's a hot one. Oh, why is this one so hot?
Yeah, because it came from outside.
Hey, not
Mhm.
fair. Never mind, just gonna have this.
Okay, let's wait. So you clicker na.
Wow, this
Oh, anak, be careful, anak. Behave.
that's broken.
Might get broken. Stay there.
Okay, it's too breakable, Kuya.
Where is the, no?
But this is the holder
Where's
for
the stick?
But this one is the holder for the cell phone. There's two of them.
You're gonna do it like this.
Wow.
So you're gonna put it there, the cell phone. Here.
Wow. I like this green light. Put it there. Mike, can I help you with that? Oh, no. Never mind.
And then you're gonna bend it. Oh, enough na. Only like that. See?
Now you can put our phone there.
Not yet, later.
This one. Okay.
Kuya, be careful, anak. You might break it.
Can you help? That's even amazing.
So guys, eto na siya. Ay, mami mo.
Mommy, what is this?
Do not touch. See? Ma-minus ka ng lights. Dimmer. Pa-increase ng lights. Change ng color.
Mommy, oh, no blue. Mommy,
Three lights actually. Ito all white.
Yan yung
Ito
all-
combination ng yellow and
Mom,
white.
where's,
Ito.
Mommy,
Kasi combination yun.
Yan.
what is colors that?
White.
And what is colors that?
Okay, turn off muna natin. We'll see with the, let's put the stand.
It's dark, Mommy.
So this is the ring light with the stand.
You can,
Look if you can see it. There's the stand.
Mommy, it
So
became
when we
dark,
change-
Mommy. It became dark.
Right?
Mommy, it became
Hello?
dark. It became dark. It
Mhm.
became dark.
Yeah.
It became dark. Mommy.
So yun. There you go.
Wow! I can
That's
see.
our ring light. Thank you for watching, guys. Say hi. Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe our channel.
See you next.
Manager Faye Fernandez Family Vlog. Thank you.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.